Hidden deep in the heart of Odisha, there is a magical place where nature whispers, the breeze dances, and the water sings. Welcome to the breathtaking Gundichaghai Waterfall. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking you on an offbeat adventure to one of the Odisha's most underrated gems. Located in the district of Keonjhar, Gundichaghai isn't just a waterfall. It is an experience surrounded by lush forest and tribal villages. This hidden waterfall is the perfect escape into peace, beauty, and raw nature. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your virtual backpacks and let's dive into the magic of Gundichaghai Waterfall.